Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm going to be cooking a Galician blonde sirloin chop on the Char-Broil Kamander. Okay, so I've been sent this beautiful Galician blonde sirloin chop. It's got amazing marbling running through it and beautiful fat. It smells amazing, really nice and beefy in the raw, and I'm looking forward to cooking this. I'm going to cook this nice and simply with a little bit of smoke, with a direct heat and a little bit of salt and pepper on. This is going to be good. So I'm using some green olive firewood co lump wood. As you can see, there's some pretty hefty chunks here. It's nice wood this, nice lump wood. Couple of fire lighters underneath. Grate on, lid down, vents fully open. The Kamander is lit and I want this to get nice and hot, so I've got all the vents fully open on the top and the side, so that will get good and hot. I'm going to pop a chunk of aged vine on there for a bit of smoke. Should smoke away nicely. Lots of sea salt, and lots of fresh brown black pepper. Push it in. Okay, so it's a nice thick chop here, about an inch or so thick. So we're going to cook this direct over the charcoal. Okay, so simply place the steak over the coals like that and shut the lid. Okay, so time to flip this over. Looking good, nice colour there. I'm going to take this off now. That looks wonderful. I'm going to take it off the bone. That looks good to me. Looking for a nice sort of medium for this. It's got a lot of fat in. That looks perfect to me. Fat's crisped up nice. That is a good job. Gonna have a little taste, see how it is. I'm very excited about this. That looks a perfect bit there. Taste, see how I've done. Wow, what a sensational bit of beef this is. It's got a deeply beefy flavour, it's fat like butter. This is gorgeous. I'm going to go in for another bit. That flavour is off the scale. You get a nice hit of the vine smoke. It's nice, just adds to the flavour on the outside. Nice gentle smoke, and that's done really well. Really pleased with this bit of kit as well. It's a cracking barbecue, I think. Good for steaks, and I'm going to be doing some low and slow on it. I'm going to get stuck into this steak and enjoy it. Cheers. If you enjoy what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke, there's a button down there. Please like, subscribe, and let me know you like my videos. Cheers.